welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pam here. So today I decided to show you guys my own version of these spring twists. So if you like to see how I did them, how I achieved them, keep watching. So I got this hair from AliExpress. I'll leave the link to the exact same hair in the description box down below. As you can see, it is so bouncy. I love the curl pattern and I was like, wow, this is gonna be, you know, amazing. So right now I'm just showing you how I am preparing the hair. I am taking a piece of hair and trying to like stretch it, and to stretch it I am trying to like separate the hair like you see me do in the video. I don't know how to explain that, but I think you understand me, like as you keep watching. So just stretching the hair so that I'm able like to make like a little bit thick, like you see. So this is how it looks when it's stretched. So I had already started like braiding part of the hair because I really wanted to make sure that this hair in the way I'm braiding it is the right way that I can show you guys. So here I was just trying to take a little piece of hair so that I can start braiding it out. So what I'm actually doing is getting the hair extension in my hair as the third piece of hair that I'm gonna braid out. So I'm starting to braid out like a 3, like doing like the box braid, and then as I go I'm gonna be twisting it. So please keep watching so that you understand what I'm saying. I'm just gonna try to zoom it out for you guys. So like I said, I'm taking the hair extension in my piece of hair as the third piece. Like I have 3 sections, and then I'm starting to braid it out. Especially for those people who really don't know anything about braiding, I think this is very easy for you to understand. So, and then I'm just gonna start like braiding it out like you see me do, and then I'm gonna make sure that it is like safe and it's not moving, like it is not too tight but it is secure on the bottom. And then when I get to a point where I am sure that that's where I can start twisting, I separate my actual natural hair and then start like twisting it with the other hair extension. So you really want to twist out until the end, like until the end of the extension of the hair extension. And this hair is a little bit of silky, so that is why I am separating it so that it has like a thicker texture and it is manageable for me, like when I'm twisting like you see me do. And this is how the ends are looking right now, and it doesn't like unravel or anything like that, like you see. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process, separating the hair, getting the extension and making the hair into like 3 strands, and then start braiding it out. And then when I reach a certain point, and then I'll twist it out. So as you can see, the curl pattern is really like bouncy. After I twist, it looks like it's stretched, but then when I'm done twisting, it goes back to a bouncy curl pattern, which I really love. And I'm actually gonna be doing this hairstyle in another color because it looks really, really natural, and I loved it like even before I finished braiding the whole hair. So as well, I'm just gonna show you the back, and this is how it looks. I don't really mind how I separate the hair in the back. I just make sure it looks neat, and the like it's not even straight. Don't even judge me, okay? So I'm just gonna like do the same thing in the back as well. the same thing that I was doing with the front part is the same thing that I'm doing in the back. Yeah. This was actually the second day. It took me 2 days to finish because I was having breaks in between, like so many things going on, mom life, you know what I'm saying. So I had like breaks in between, but it took me like 2 days, like 2 straight days. So it wasn't much because I wasn't in a hurry or anything like that. So I continued braiding, and where my hair was like a little bit tangled, I stretched it with a comb and then continued braiding. So as you keep braiding, you're gonna meet a certain braid like this one, which is gonna be like tangled in the end, like the hair is gonna tangle up. So you want to make sure you cut that with a scissors as soon as you're done, so that it doesn't get mixed up like in all the hair. And this is what I'm doing right now. I just cut the end and back at it. And right now I was done, and I was so proud of myself, guys. It took me like forever. And I was done, and this is how it looks like, all the hair, and this is the back. I was just showing you how relaxed and how natural it looks. I loved it, and this is a closer look of how it looks, you know. So loved this hairstyle. I'm definitely gonna be trying this hairstyle again in another color, like I said. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.